Hello guys, let's see how Nifty Bank behaved today. In the morning, actually, before we start with the Nifty Bank, if we see today's environment, in the morning Asian markets were not doing all that good. Then Dow futures also slightly down. Accordingly, it looked like we open gap up, and we did open gap up. But very interestingly, if you notice, like yesterday I was talking about this 34,650, how it has become base before it moved up and closed above 34,700. Morning low is 35,644. Okay, it immediately recovered, made a high of 34,811, which is double top, and today actually it has become a triple top. Okay, 35,811. Then there is this sell off, look like sideways consolidation till 11:30, and 11:30 there is this dip which came very close to morning low of 35,640, 650 level. Okay, then this bearishness started taking root. Asian markets, as I said, Hang Seng and all down like 2.5%. Then there is no serious consolidation or anything. Then another step down. Here it looked like some consolidation. Then another step down till 1 o'clock. Here again it looked like sideways consolidation. But if you closely look at it, after breaking that 34,650, it came down to next important support, which is like 35,500 level. It looked like it is consolidating there, but again breakdown. It broke down. And then 35,400, 450 level, sideways consolidation. After Europe opened, Europe actually opened weak. Okay, then you can see real big candles. This is real big sell off. Even that 34,400 has gone. Then 35,300, very small consolidation, and another dip. Okay, this is the day slow around 2:30, 35,134. You can see this double bottom for the day around 35,130 levels. There is a small pullback, but on the whole, if you see from the day's open, from the day's high, it's a really bearish day. There is no other way of describing it. There is a small recovery after it touched the day's low, which is like how much, about 700 points from the high, and there is a 100-point recovery. No real big deal. Okay, so if anyone is like by the dip kind of bull, there are a lot of dips that were bought, and obviously stop losses would have been hit, except this dip which came way too late in the day. I don't know anybody has really energy till this point, and must be very tired bull. Okay, I'll see the day's time frame. Okay, now first, if you look at the tops like 34,800, as we not 34, sorry, 35,800. Then here, then today also it matched. It has become a triple top. Then the red candle. Then I changed everything, the supports and resistance numbers accordingly. Now 35,800 becomes serious resistance. Okay, then 35,600, 35,500, 400, 300, 200, whatever levels were broken today, I have taken them as resistance. Then if you see the support levels, see if you extend this line, okay, this is the point from which these green candles have come, right? Remember, so this is that strong support of 34,900, 35,000 area. If at all it continues dipping, this would be the next support area. So 35,100, 35,000, 34,900, this area becomes support. Otherwise it is another 200 point below 34,800, 34,700. After that the very base, like recent you can call it swing lows and swing tops for past 2 months, 34,500 and 34,400. As I record this, both the European markets and US markets are showing big cuts. You can get the results in the news feed, like all the detail, but it looks like there is a change in sentiment. Whether that is temporary, or will this look like a correction that lasts for some days? We can only take day by day and see instead of extrapolating what is happening. But I think from today's price action, I feel because we are at the highs, both Nifty and Bank Nifty, even Nifty, for which 15,750 is a good support. That is taken intraday. It went even below 15,700, but closed at 15,727. And Nifty Bank we anyway talked in detail. Because we are at the top of the range and these falls are happening, I think it is prudent to be very cautious than very aggressively long. So if you are taking long positions, have your stop loss accordingly, or you can wait for a rise and sell into the rise, but keep the levels in mind so that your entries into either long or short would be clean. Then like if your view is right, you will get good profit, or your stop loss may be, like the loss may be minimal if your stop loss is hit. Okay, thank you. We will see you with another video tomorrow. Thanks for your attention.